Another Car Dog Garage video. I want to try this. And today, guys, I'm going to be making a new exhaust pipe for my Predator racing engine that I built. So I got new carburetor on this engine and I didn't film it for some reasons that could have hurt me. Nothing. So this exhaust pipe, since I'm flowing more air and I took the exhaust strap off to get it all fixed, it was fraying, I noticed that I have a very restrictive exhaust pipe and I can put it on something else. Hint hint for next video. So I got this tubing right here, 1-inch tubing, and I'm going to be making a new exhaust pipe for this. I'm going to be welding it all up and putting the old muffler back on. So okay, so it looks like it does match up and I can feel it, and it does match up pretty good. So I am going to cut some exhaust pipe and weld it all together. Okay, so I got my exhaust pipe all tacked together. Now I'm going to take it off and weld it. Make sure you pull this thing a few times to get all the sparks and dust out so you don't have any problems internally with your engine. Alright, so I got it all welded up. These are some okay welds. I'm gonna let it cool, and then all I'm going to do is I'm gonna file the inside of that to make it more flow, and then I'm going to ground some of these welds down, and yeah, and then we can slap it on, put some heat wrap on, and we'll be ready to hear it. Alright, so I got everything done. I got it somewhat, I didn't, kind of messed up because the thing got a little out of hand and it went around and kind of scudded off. You don't really want that because then it kind of limits flow a bit, but it's fine. It's 99.9% better than the other exhaust pipe. It's so much better. And so now I am going to install this, and then we're going to heat wrap this, and then we're going to put on the muffler. So let's get to it. Alright, the exhaust pipe's all done, so now let's hear it. Let's hear it thump. What was that? Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you want to see more of this goat cart and other content, go check out my YouTube channel at Car Dog Garage, and I'll see you on the next video there. Peace.